Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. As you guys know, in the first sections, we're going to be concentrating on how to write ad copies for Google Ads using AI, right? So our main focus here is going to be on Google Ads. Therefore, in this video, we're going to do a walkthrough for Google Ads. So hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to be more familiar with Google Ads. And also, a very essential thing here is to make sure that you know and understand how the ad copy should look like if you want to advertise your product on Google Ads, right? And let's get started, guys. If you're already familiar with Google Ads, feel free to skip this video. However, if you're not really familiar with Google Ads, you're new to Google Ads, make sure that you stay in this video and pay very close attention, guys. Alright, so as you guys can see, right now I'm on googleads.com. So make sure that you've logged into your Gmail account and then just click start now. And then you need to create your account, right? However, if you've already created your Google Ad account, just click on sign in. And then you're going to be redirected to this page, which is your dashboard, alright? So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the dashboard. So you have clicks, the amount of clicks that you got, the amount of impressions that you got, the average CPC. CPC stands for cost per click, and also the total cost that you've spent, alright? Okay, so as you guys can see, I've run 2 campaigns in the past. This is like a YouTube ads video, and also this is a Google Ads campaign, right? So I'm gonna close this. I don't want to have too many tabs. Let me show you how to create an ad campaign on Google Ads. So I'm just gonna click on new campaign, right? Just click on it, new campaign, and then you're going to be taken into this page. Apparently it's still loading, guys. Usually it doesn't take too long. It might take like a couple of seconds. As you guys can see here, for the campaign objective, we have 8 options. So the first one is sales. So if you want to maximize your conversion, you want to get as many sales as possible, then go with the first option, sales, alright? And second one is leads. So if you want to get as many leads as possible, you want to have more people signing up to your program, signing up to your website, then go with leads. And the third one here is website traffic. So if you want to get as many people as possible to come into your websites, you want to get more traffic come into your online store, then go with website traffic. The fourth one is product and brand considerations. It's to encourage people to explore your products or services. And options number 5, brand awareness and reach. So if you want to increase your brand awareness, for example, you've just launched your first product and you want people to know more about your product, then go with options number 5. And options number 6, app promotions. So if you have just launched your app, for example, and you want people to download your app or to purchase your app, then go with number 6. Number 7 is local store visits and promotions. So let's say you're a local business owner, so you have a physical business located in your city, and you want people to come in, then obviously you're going to be targeted people who live in your area specifically, right? And then number 8, create campaign without a goals guidance. So if you're not really sure about the objective of your Google ad campaign, then just go with options 8. But usually I'm gonna go with options 3, right? Website traffic, because the CPC, the cost per click, is going to be relatively lower compared to the CPC that you get for sales objective, right? So I'm gonna go with the website traffic options, and I'm just going to click continue, right? As you guys can see, you can select the campaign type. There are 6: search, performance max, display, shopping, video, and discovery. So I'm gonna go with the first one, search, right? So I want it to be displayed on Google searching engine. Okay, so you might want to enter the URL of your websites or online store, but you don't have to if you don't want to, right? It's not necessary. You can also name your campaign, name it however you want. I don't really care, guys. So I'm just gonna leave the name website traffic search 5, because this is just a tutorial, right? This is not creating a real Google ad campaign, so I'm not gonna give a name to this campaign. Okay, so as you guys can see now, we need to choose the bidding strategy. So you have several options: conversions, conversion value, clicks, other optimization options, and impressions here. So it's totally up to you. If you want to maximize your conversions, then click on conversions. But I just want to get as many clicks as possible, so I'm gonna click on clicks, right? And you also have options to set up the maximum cost per click. So if you don't want the CPC to be very high, you don't want the CPC to be like $3 per click or maybe $5 per click, so you can set the limit, guys. I think it is very important for you to set the limit so you don't waste your budget, because sometimes the quality of the traffic is actually not that good, but due to the fact that the keyword that you're using is very competitive, so the CPC can be very high, so you're just going to be wasting your money, wasting your budget, right? So I'm just gonna set the CPC limit to be, let's say, 15,000. This is equivalent to $1 US, guys. But you also need to understand that if you set the CPC limit to be very low, then most likely you're not going to get a lot of clicks, right? Or maybe you're not gonna get even a single click. So make sure that you don't set your CPC limit to be very low, right? Because potentially you will not get a lot of clicks. Okay, so I'm just gonna click next, and as you guys can see, you can have two options here. You want your ad to be displayed on search network, then check this. If you don't want your ads to be displayed on display network, then uncheck this. Based on my personal experience, I didn't find displaying my ads on display network to be very effective. That's the reason why I usually uncheck this box, guys, but it's totally up to you. All right, and now we're going to choose the locations. As you guys can see, we have several options here. You can select all countries and territories, or you just want to target people in a specific country. So for example, I want to target people who live in these three countries: United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. So I'm just gonna click on enter another locations, and I'm just going to type in United Kingdom, right? United Kingdom. What else? United States. Here we go, and also Canada. Here we go. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is to target these three countries, right? Let's scroll down. You can also set language, but I'm pretty sure like most people who live in these three countries speak English, so I'm just gonna stick with English. I'm not going to add any other language. You can also add the audience segments, like their interests, stuff like that. But I'm just going to leave it blank. Alright, so I'm gonna click next, and now we're going to enter the keywords. Alright, we're going to enter the keyword, since we're going to be advertising a travel pillow, so I'm just going to type in travel pillow like this. Alright, okay, so as you guys can see, it's still loading here, so here we go. So the expected amount of clicks that we're going to get per week is 334 clicks, right? And then the CPC is equivalent to 30 cents, which is pretty low in my opinion. So yeah, and also when it comes to Google Ads keywords, you have three options. So you can just type in something like this, travel pillow. It is going to be broad match. You can also add like quotation mark, all right? You can add quotation mark, something like this. So it is a phrase match, right? However, if you want only people who type the exact keyword to see the ads, so you don't waste your budget, then you might want to do something like this. Use this bracket, right? So it's called exact match. So travel pillow. And obviously it makes sense. If you use the exact match, then the CPC is going to be more expensive compared to broad match or phrase match, right? Yeah, it is more expensive. It's equivalent to like 50 cents, all right? So it's more expensive. So if you use a broad match, then it only costs you like 30 cents per click. But if you use like the exact match, it will cost you like 50 cents per click, which is more expensive, right? Okay, so now this is like the most essential part, guys. This is what the Google ad campaign looks like. So we're going to have like 3 headlines and also like 2 descriptions here, and then the URL is going to be displayed here. So every single time someone clicks on this URL, he or she is going to be redirected to our websites or our online store or whatever link or URL that we give here, right? Okay, so hopefully by the end of this video, you understand how the ad copy that we are going to create should look like, right? Because we're going to utilize, several different AI tools like ChatGPT, Copy AI, and also Sonic to create this ad copy. Okay, so hopefully you know and understand how it should look like based on this format. Okay guys, I think that's it. That's all you need to know. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to learn how to create our ad copy using AI. So we're going to utilize ChatGPT guys to create the ad copy. Alright, I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.